guys, so welcome back. Today I am doing a layout for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club kits, and it is so tough when I have all of these beautiful new gorgeous products. So I'm going to use these two photos, and they're the same photo at slightly different sizes. Well, no, the photos are the same sizes, but the photo is blown up slightly more on one side than the other. No idea why I wanted to do that. I just did. And I'm going to start out thinking I'm going to use these supplies right here, but I don't believe I end up using that gorgeous aqua cardstock because my layout's going to be just a little tiny bit more muted. Not a big deal. So this is a picture of Shay and the Nick, and they were at the top, I believe, of Pyramid Point, which is in the Sleeping Bear Dunes, which is in northern Michigan, like these massive, massive giant sand dunes. So I think I'm going to use this wood veneer. You know, heads up, I don't use it. As well as those Rosie's gemstones, which I do end up using them. I think they're so gorgeous. Then I have this little box of really great goodies to look through. I have all these Prima die cuts, and ooh, see, it has like metallic bronzy color. So I have all kinds of goodies to pick from. These kits are chock full, and I also end up just grabbing up all kinds of add-ons because they're absolutely beautiful. So this right here is an add-on sequin mix. The color is absolutely perfect in these kits. They do a fab job making those sequins cooperate. Oh, the other thing is they now have the add-ons in the store. There are these half seed pearls, and I believe they're 2, 4, and 6 millimeters. So I just grabbed the colors that work with the layout that I have in mind. I think they might have put in 7 new sets of them. Now these are thickers and they're just pure white and they are puffy. I'm thinking of that. And then these Rosie Studio foam stickers are an add-on as well. I put a la on them because they're a la carte. It's just a way that I remember a little bit. Now I need to kind of start getting a better vibe of what I am doing. I'm trying to decide which one I'm feeling, but I love this Ella and Viv paper. And then guys, this vintage artistry paper by 49 and Market, it is so thick and luxurious to use. It's like, how do I get to use everything? Now I also like that one that you just saw there with the little triangles. I like the color palette on it, but not to use the whole sheet right away. Just a little bit with it. Okay, so I have gone ahead and matted my photos, and I created a bit of an embellishment cluster here with the best adventure, and then I filled in that geotag with some of that cute triangle paper, and I'm creating this little signpost like you see it on beaches out of all of those die cut pieces from this gigantic 49 and Market die cut pack. So that's where I'm starting this idea, and it doesn't go too far off from here. I mean, I love the 49 and Market die cut packs because they are huge and chock full, and there's itty bitty pieces and big ones and everything in between. So that's that Bow Bunny early bird paper I used, and I used it in a couple of different spots, and it's adding just a little punch of color where everything's pretty like color on color. So now I'm going back through the rest of the die cuts, and I pulled anything that can work. Doesn't mean I'm going to use them all. I already have a lot of die cuts going, but anything that looks like it might be able to work. And I realized I needed something to anchor in my sign, so I'm going to just grab 3 little ticket die cuts and make a little cluster pile on the bottom. And I was like, this will work, why not? And the middle piece was just from a scrap of the paper that my layout's matted on. It's nice and sturdy. I popped a little bit of foam on it to pop it up so you get some of that little bit of shadow and dimension you get with that. And I'm just using my T-square ruler to make sure that my signs lined up. I know that my sign names are like topsy-turvy, but the sign itself will be straight. So yes, this is this cute little embellishment that I've come up with. And I think it works because, you know, they're on the sand, so it's very beachy looking. That one works. So let's go on to the next thing. So here you see that I was looking at the cardboard sticker sheet that comes with our kit, and I really liked these pieces that I have under my photo. They're nice and sturdy, really pretty. So now I'm seeing if I want to use anything that is in this great sticker pack, and quite frankly, they're so pretty. It's almost like a metallic kind of mirrored gold. So yeah, I do like them. I was just like, trying to figure out which one. Guys, did you see these gems from Rosie's studio? I know we got to pick either from Rosie's or Prima, and I picked Rosie's because I'm such a huge, big Rosie's studio fan. But they are so gorgeous. It's those great beachy tones with little flecks of gold, like glittery stuff in them. And they're not like exactly like perfectly placed gold flecks. So rather organic and natural and perfect with that. So you do see I use the word today and the heart and all that to bring the gold here and there around my clusters. And I'm so digging that little pop of metallic with this. Okay, that's done. So now let's get some splatty bits on here. I'm trying to move my goodies to the side a little bit and then covered my photo with some packaging. You see me using my Jen Hadfield Gold Glitter Mist here. It was previously sold in the store, but it is sold out now. And it's that same really strong metallic that you see in the Rosie Studio, those mirrored stickers. So that worked, and anytime you're around the beach, you can have little splashes and good stuff like that. But yeah, so pretty. So I'm going to have some still shots coming up. I hope you like what I came up with. I thought it was so very fun to play along. And I'll see you guys really soon with another video. Oh, and down below, I will have links to our Facebook group, to our website, as well as our blog. Okay, that's really, really it. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Bye-bye for now.